Hey guys, so this is a high-powered air duster. Look at that motor in there. Just looks really impressive the way it is. But you could use this kind of thing for dusting all kinds of things, from keyboards to blowing leaves outside to just, moving dust around the house if that's what you're wanting to do. But it's really easy to use. So there's a power button right there, and it has three different steps of power. So here's power 1, power 2, power 3. That third one is so incredibly powerful. So you can do it that method, or you can hold the power button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and then it enters into a different kind of mode where you can use this nozzle or this slider on the back. And adjust the power that way. So either way, then you turn the power off by pushing the power button there. Charges up via USB-C. Like I said, it's a very, very powerful thing. I'm going to test this out a little bit. Here's a keyboard I want to dust. And I don't know if you could see it, but I could see the dust flying out of the way when using this on that keyboard. I'm going to clean a few leaves off of this ramp right here. And you could even just dust your books on the bookshelf once in a while. It comes with a few attachments that you can use to direct the air in various ways, and also a few brushes to help clean whether this device or whatever you're dusting as well. So yeah, high-powered duster. I definitely see how this could be definitely very useful for people. So hope that helps. Yeah, definitely pretty cool.